guys, today I'm going to show you how to get cool backgrounds for things like this. So just follow me. First of all, go to the app section. Now go to the Chrome Web Store. After doing that, you'll end up with a page like this. Most of you are familiar with this. Just from extension, change to themes. In theme section, select your favorite. I like the Deadpool, so I am going to select that and add it to Chrome. After which, you have to wait for it to download and let it install, as it will perform this task automatically. Now when it installs, you will witness something like this or even better. If you don't like the theme, you can also click the undo and you will revert back to your previous position of the browser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.